let's start then. I have. I have not. Have. I have. I not. We have. We have not. Have. We have. We have. We not. You have. You have not. Have. You. You have not. He has. He has not. Has. He has. He not. She has. She has not. Has. She has. She not. It has. It has not. Has. It has. It not. They have. They have not. Have. They have. They not. Very good.